The Cheese Trail is something that we really look forward to every year. It's a really great self-guided tour for people to experience what we offer in Oxford County, our heritage, the pride that we have for the area that we live in, and sharing food as an experience. The Cheese Trail seems to grow every year. Things from cheese tours, new tastes, flavors on menus, cheese being incorporated in different ways, things to see as well. We really have a really rich experience to offer.
The abundance of local cheeses, the varieties of local cheeses that we can get around here make it worth the drive to Oxford County alone. This business started 2 years ago when I actually went on the Oxford County Cheese Trail for the first time. I knew immediately that I wanted to be a part of this community. The quality of product, the people, and the pride that we see in Oxford County is the reason I wanted to become a part of it. Oxford County's really raised the bar on the scene, on the food, on the cheese, on everything else, and we're just so excited to be part of it and to help grow with it.
I like to bring to the customer good quality cheese. Quality is the most important thing. It's from quality in the feed, quality of the care for the cows, quality of taking care of the milk. If one link is not correct, you're never gonna make good cheese. Not everybody is a painter and not everybody is a cheesemaker.
I think a big part is the collaboration. We all have a craft we provide to the community and showing them that we all can do even more together, create something new together, which is unique to the region.
Oxford County has been famous for cheese, been famous as the dairy capital of Canada. Now I think we're going to see that we're continuing that reputation as the dairy capital of Canada because of the quality products that we're able to manufacture here.
On the Cheese Trail, people should expect not only a good time, but an educational time. This is more than just cheese. This is the ability to see so many other people with so many other crafts.
I hope they come home with something new, something that they've been educated about and that they're excited about. New flavors, new memories, and a good taste of Oxford County.
Whether coming for a day or coming for a weekend, it's great to explore the Cheese Trail and see all that Oxford has to offer.